In this video, we want to start looking at combining two functions into a new function using simple arithmetic operations. In this video, we just want to take two functions, f and g, and add them together. So here I have two functions. These are nice, simple linear functions. Suppose I want to compute the function f plus g when x is equal to 2. By definition of this addition function, I'm just going to take f and evaluate it at 2 and add g evaluated at 2. Right? It's a very natural definition for the addition of two functions, is to just evaluate each function at the same value and add them together. So f of 2 is equal to 3, g of 2 is equal to a negative 4, so f plus g of 2 is equal to negative 1. Let's look at another problem. Suppose we want to just compute the general formula for the function f plus g of x. Okay. Again, by definition, we're just going to take our function f and add our function g. So we're just going to take the two formulas and add them together. F of x is x plus 1. G of x is x minus 6. So when we combine our like terms, we get that f plus g of x is 2x minus 5. And notice, using this formula, that f plus g of 2, which is the problem that we just did, is equal to 2 times 2 minus 5 equal to negative 1. So finding the formula and then evaluating at x equal to 2 got us to the same result as just evaluating each function at 2 and adding them together. Now the last thing that we want to consider when adding two functions is what the domain of this addition function should be. So what is the domain of f plus g? Well, take a look at this equation. F plus g of x is f of x plus g of x. As long as f of x and g of x are real numbers, then their addition will be a real number. So as long as the x that I plug in, like say 2, is in the domain of f and the domain of g, then this expression will be the addition of two real numbers, and therefore 2 would be in the domain of f plus g. So the domain of f plus g is the intersection of the domains of f and g. In other words, it is the set of x's common to both domains. Okay. Here, these are both polynomials, so they both have domains all real numbers. And so any number at all, if I put it into f and g, I'm going to get real numbers out. So the domain of f plus g is not terribly interesting here. It's just going to be all real numbers. Look at the next video for perhaps a more instructive example.